This is Lulu. Lulu Woods. Lulu, our gecko, baby gecko. Ayan, mga ka-twin bell, tignan nyo si Lulu. Lumalaki na ang aming baby Lulu. But anyway, si Randy nagbigay ng name na yan. Hindi ako. So, ayan, ang taba ng tail niya. Ayan na po ang aming gecko. Ang baby gecko, meron kaming malaki. Daddy, can you get the big one?
Yeah, they're gonna fight though.
No, they're not. I'm just gonna do in the video.
Oh, we do them separate?
Oy. Oy. No. Oy. Oy. Wild man ito, oy. Wild man ang baby gecko namin.
Oh, she's wild.
Wild.
We don't hold her a lot.
Yeah, you need to hold. Yes, jumping. Yeah, ayan. Hawak na ni Habi ang aming baby. Lulu.
Lulu?
Oh, we have a Lulu Woods. The what is this? The fight. The team. The Boodle fight. And she is with the Boodle team. Wow, we need to name her Lulu. Can we change her name, Lulu?
No, it's Lulu.
So
Lucy Lou
so
is her name.
I don't remember.
Lucy Lou is her name.
The
Lulu for
crazy
short.
Lola. Ayan. Oh, where you going? Where are you going? Ah, where are you going?
Gentle. You gotta be gentle.
Yeah,
Just
go
scared.
back.
Geckos are gentle.
Hey, ayan si Lulu. Lulu. I remember Lulu, the old lady. Ayan, tingnan niya. Ayan mga ka-twin bell ang aming butike. This is what we call a butike lizard.
Just scaring her.
Scared of Lulu. Nina, you wanna eat Lulu? You wanna eat Lulu, Nina? There's Lulu right here. Come on, eat it. It's a good treat. Oh my God, malaki na. 30 more minutes. 30 seconds. 30 more
She
seconds.
growled at Ethan.
Huh?
She growled at Ethan.
Oh, really?
I never heard Greco growl yet.
How?
When she was a baby. I
Okay,
don't
you growl at me. I'm gonna slap you.
know. No, don't slap. She's
I'm gonna
little.
slap you if you growl at me, okay?
Little.
We're feeding you, we give you water, we give you
She's only
cricket and
little.
warm, and then you growl.
She just got frightened.
I'm gonna cut your tail, Lulu.
Don't say that.
I'm gonna cut your tail and feed it to the hubakon. The people that have asthma, it's okay. Alright, mga ka-twin bell, is 3 minutes. Short update tayo kay Lulu.